Bowling balls. Hey there. Welcome to Bushwhacked Adventures. Are you ready to journey into the wilderness and explore the great outdoors? All right. And for a very unique stop along the road, we have the Hole in the Rock. Kind of see what's going on here, all kinds of weird, interesting, unique things. Apparently they have a zoo. Don't know what's in the zoo, but we're really kind of interested in this. It looks like just different types of balls. I don't know if they're bowling balls or... Bowling balls. 881 bowling balls. Wow. Pretty intense. And yes, I can smell the zoo. I said I can smell the zoo, yeah. Okay, well, we'll wander inside and see if there's anything we want to share. I do want to come over and show you this Jeep here. With its homemade wheels. It's made out of license plates. Wrenches, hinges, hammerheads. I have no idea. All kinds of things. We've got spark plugs and bolts and gears and horseshoes. Pretty cool. Huh?
800 inches.
That's a you can see inside here, somebody obviously had access to a whole lot of Colorado license plates.
Wisconsin.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna go through the house. Let's go.
I know I have a few people in Germany that watch my channel, 6,946 miles away. That's a big cactus. Yellowstone, 602 miles. Dallas, 991. Tokyo, 4,197. Moab, 12 miles. That's where we're headed next. Big totem. Now that's getting creative. That's how you mow your lawn. A cannon. Oh, looks like if we keep going, we might see Bigfoot. All these hand tools. Bigfoot. There we go. It is a Bigfoot. It's a little burial site for him. Yeah. Oh, you see up in the tree overhead. Fun little place. Nice little stop, and I hear a donkey over in the zoo. Yeah, I don't think you want the lower stall. You want to make sure you get the upper stall. All right. Oh, wow. Barbed wire, razor wire. Big, big wire. I like that little cannon.
They're all over.
Yeah, all over the top.
Interesting.
Let's go check out the house. So this area all started by the hole in the rock. There's a sculpture of Franklin Delano Roosevelt. That's pretty awesome. But inside here is a 5,000 square foot home. Let's go in and take a look. Not sure if we can record in there, but we'll find out. All right, word on the street is no cameras or photography allowed on the tour. We signed up for it. It's $9 per adult. I don't know what the charge is per child, but it's less than that. So we'll go ahead and take a look. I think they run the tour about once an hour, so we've got about a 25-minute wait. We're gonna head over to the trailer, just grab a little something to eat really quick. Not a bad little stop. Pretty cool. I do want to read the sign over here. You can hear the donkey in the background. This location has been a traveler's resting point for 2 centuries, beginning in 1829. Horse teams on the old Spanish Trail between Santa Fe and California stopped here for the abundant spring water and shade after the settlement of Mormon pioneer stagecoaches traveling between Moab and Monticello stayed here overnight. Early in the 20th century, the Christensen family of Monticello homesteaded the 80 acres here. They blasted out a small cave in the rock where cowboys camped as they drove their stock toward Colorado River. In 1945, brothers Leo and Albert Christensen expanded the cave and opened America's most unique dining room. The Hole in the Rock Diner was a watering hole for uranium miners and car tourists until 1955. The Christensens continued to excavate the cave until it reached its current size of 5,000 square feet. Take a 10-minute guided tour of this unique and spectacular 14-room home, as millions have done since 1957. There you go. We'll give it a go and see what we find. Sounds fun, folks. See you on our next adventure. A lot of history right here.